ACCUPLACER Health Professions Fractions Practice. Question 1. A health science instructor opens 12 packs of study guides with 12 in each pack and uses 9. How many remain for review? Option A, 144. Option B, 15. Option C, 135. Option D, 36. The correct answer is option C, 135. The total supply is 12 multiplied by 12, and the used amount is then subtracted, leaving 135. The distractors skip the subtraction, add instead of multiply, or subtract before finding the full total. Question 2. If 3/4 of a review packet is finished, what fraction of the packet remains unfinished? Option A, 3/4. Option B, 4/3. Option C, 1/7. Option D, a 1/4. The correct answer is option D, 1/4. The unfinished part is the whole, written as 4/4, minus the completed part, giving 1/4. The incorrect options repeat the completed portion, invert the fraction, or combine numerator and denominator incorrectly. Question 3. Round 4.19 to the nearest tenth for a quick lab estimate entry for review set 23. Option A, 4.2. Option B, 4.1. Option C, 5. Option D, 4. The correct answer is option A, 4.2. Rounding to the nearest tenth keeps one digit after the decimal and checks the hundredths place, producing 4.2. The incorrect choices truncate, round to a whole number, or leave too many decimal places. Question 4. A review score of 68 increases by 15%. What is the new score? Option A, 83. Option B, 78.2. Option C, 10.2. Option D, 57.8. The correct answer is option B, 78.2. A percent increase multiplies the original value by 1 plus the percent as a decimal, giving 78.2. The incorrect choices add percentage points directly, calculate only the increase, or decrease the score. Question 5. A student solves 7 medication math items per minute during a short drill. How many items can be solved in 35 minutes at that rate? Option A, 42. Option B, 28. Option C, 245. Option D, 5. The correct answer is option C, 245. A constant rate is multiplied by time, so 7 items per minute for 35 minutes equals 245 items. The other options add, subtract, divide, or add an extra minute's work. Question 6. Convert 2.25 meters to centimeters for a quick geometry setup. Option A, 22.5. Option B, 2,250. Option C, 102.25. Option D, 225. The correct answer is option D, 225. Meters convert to centimeters by multiplying by 100, so 2.25 meters equals 225 centimeters. The incorrect options use millimeter or decimeter factors, add instead of convert, or overstate the result. Question 7. Solve 5x plus 11 equals 51 to find the unknown value in a practice equation. Option A, 8. Option B, 9. Option C, 7. Option D, 10.2. The correct answer is option A, 8. Subtracting 11 from both sides leaves 5x equals 40, and dividing by 5 gives x equals 8. The other choices skip a step, divide before isolating the term, or treat the constant as the answer. Question 8. A review block has 5 study sessions of 55 minutes with 12-minute breaks between sessions. How long is the whole block for review set 23? Option A, 275. Option B, 323. Option C, 335. Option D, 72. The correct answer is option B, 323. There are 5 study periods but only 4 breaks between them, so the total is 323 minutes. The other answers either omit breaks, add too many breaks, or add the quantities without repeated periods. Question 9. Find the mean of the practice scores 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Option A, 8. Option B, 80. Option C, 16. Option D, 18. The correct answer is option C, 16. The mean is found by adding all values and dividing by the number of scores, which gives 16. The other choices report the median, range, total sum, or a value shifted above the average. Question 10. A bin contains 5 red, 7 blue, and 3 green practice tokens. What is the probability of selecting green? Option A, 1/3. Option B, 7/15. Option C, 1/4. Option D, a 1/5. The correct answer is option D, 1/5. The favorable outcomes are the 3 green tokens out of 15 total tokens, so the probability is 1/5. The other choices use the wrong color count, leave out part of the total, or invert the fraction. Question 11. In the model y equals 6x plus 6, what value represents the y-intercept? Option A, 6. Option B, 12. Option C, 36. Option D, -6. The correct answer is option A, 6. In slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, the constant b is the y-intercept, so the value is 6. The other choices confuse the intercept with slope, combine the two values, or change the sign without reason. Question 12. Compute the area of a triangle with base 12 cm and height 6 cm. Option A, 72. Option B, 36. Option C, 18. Option D, 42. The correct answer is option B, 36. Triangle area is 1/2 times base times height, giving 36 square centimeters. The other options omit the 1/2 factor, add dimensions, compute a perimeter-like value, or add height after finding area. Question 13. Select the best central idea of this statement. Short daily review sessions can build stronger retention than occasional long cramming sessions. For review set 23. Option A. Testing should be avoided whenever possible. Option B. Only memorization matters in health programs. Option C. Consistent review is usually better than last-minute cramming. Option D. Long study sessions always produce the best results. The correct answer is option C. Consistent review is usually better than last-minute cramming. The central idea should summarize the whole statement without adding a new claim or narrowing the focus too much. The other choices either contradict the statement, exaggerate one detail, or introduce an idea that the sentence does not support. Question 14. Infer the most reasonable conclusion from this note. The practice schedule moved from 1 long weekend session to 4 shorter weekday sessions. For review set 23. Option A. The note proves the student has already mastered every topic. Option B. The note rejects the value of organized review. Option C. The note focuses only on memorizing answer letters. Option D. The schedule now emphasizes spaced practice. The correct answer is option D. The schedule now emphasizes spaced practice. A reasonable inference must follow from the information given without stretching beyond it. The incorrect options are too absolute, contradict the note, or claim details that are not stated. Question 15. In an academic sentence about health program readiness, what does the word mitigate most nearly mean for review set 23? Option A. Reduce or make less severe. Option B. Measure precisely. Option C. Increase rapidly. Option D. Ignore deliberately. The correct answer is option A. Reduce or make less severe. The word mitigate is used in academic contexts to mean reduce or make less severe. The other choices describe unrelated actions, opposite meanings, or features of writing that do not match the term. Question 16. Why would a writer likely compares 2 study plans before recommending one for review set 23? Option A. To distract readers from the main claim. Option B. To show why one approach is more effective than another. Option C. To remove the need for supporting evidence. Option D. To make the paragraph less organized. The correct answer is option B. to show why one approach is more effective than another. A rhetorical choice should help the writer develop meaning, guide the reader, or support a claim. The incorrect options describe weak writing moves that would reduce clarity or relevance. Question 17. Combine these two ideas most accurately. Charts summarize data visually, and statistics describe patterns in data. For review set 23. Option A. Only the first idea matters for test preparation. Option B. The two ideas contradict each other completely. Option C. Data skills include interpreting both charts and statistical summaries. Option D. Neither idea can be used in academic preparation. The correct answer is option C. Data skills include interpreting both charts and statistical summaries. A synthesis should preserve both ideas and show the relationship between them. The incorrect choices ignore one idea, invent a contradiction, or draw an unsupported extreme conclusion. Question 18. Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement for review set 23. Option A. Neither the advisor nor the students is available afternoon. Option B. Neither the advisor nor the students be available afternoon. Option C. Neither the advisor nor the students was available afternoon. Option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The correct answer is option D. Neither the advisor nor the students are available afternoon. The verb must agree with the true subject, not with a nearby prepositional phrase or distracting noun. The incorrect choices use a verb form that does not match the subject or create an incomplete sentence. Question 19. Select the sentence with the clearest punctuation for review set 23. Option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option B. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option C. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Option D. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. The correct answer is option A. The applicant reviewed fractions, decimals, and percentages before the exam. Correct punctuation shows how ideas are connected and prevents sentence confusion. The incorrect choices omit needed commas, misuse punctuation between clauses, or place punctuation where it interrupts the sentence. Question 20. Pick the sentence that uses standard English correctly for review set 23. Option A. Less errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option C. Fewer error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Option D. Less error appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. The correct answer is option B. Fewer errors appeared after the learner reviewed the explanations. Standard usage requires correct pronoun case, verb form, and count word agreement. The incorrect choices use non-standard pronouns, mismatched verbs, or less/fewer incorrectly. Question 21. Choose the best transition for the blank. The paragraph explains the scoring range first. Blank. It describes how students can use score bands for planning. For review set 23. Option A. Nevertheless. Option B. In contrast. Option C. Next. Option D. Despite this. The correct answer is option C. Next. The transition must match the logical relationship between the ideas, such as contrast, sequence, or cause and effect. The other choices signal relationships that do not fit the sentence. Question 22. Choose the most concise revision of this sentence. The instructor made a recommendation that students should review the explanations. For review set 23. Option A. The instructor made a recommendation review of explanations. Option B. Students were recommended by the instructor in a reviewing way. Option C. The explanations, by recommendation, were reviewed by students. Option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. The correct answer is option D. The instructor recommended that students review the explanations. A concise revision removes unnecessary words while preserving the original meaning. The incorrect choices are awkward, wordy, grammatically flawed, or less clear than the original. Question 23. Using common medical word parts, what does neuralgia most likely mean for review set 23? Option A, nerve pain. Option B, bone growth. Option C, muscle weakness. Option D, blood clotting. The correct answer is option A, nerve pain. The word parts in neuralgia point to nerve pain. The other choices use different roots, prefixes, or suffix meanings and do not match the term. Question 24. Select the structure that carries impulses away from a neuron cell body for review set 23. Option A, alveolus. Option B, axon. Option C, tendon. Option D, capillary. The correct answer is option B, axon. An axon carries nerve impulses away from the neuron cell body. Alveoli are air sacs, tendons connect muscle to bone, and capillaries are tiny blood vessels. Question 25. A table uses milliliters, grams, and centimeters. What shared measurement system is being emphasized for review set 23? Option A, customary system. Option B, Roman numerals. Option C, metric system. Option D, coordinate system. The correct answer is option C, metric system. Milliliters, grams, and centimeters are metric units commonly used in science and health settings. The other systems use different units or represent numbers and graph locations rather than metric measurement.